Good afternoon! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. I have several of you requesting me to bake the famous Pandesal in the Philippines. So today I will show you a very easy and no mess way of baking this famous bread in the Philippines called Pandesal. Okay? For those of you that had a bread maker that is in your storage, it's time to dust off that bread maker and bring it out and use it for this recipe. We use the blender and the bread maker to make this pandesal today. Okay, let's cook. Okay, before anything else, this is really the secret of this pandesal recipe is we put the sweet potato on our pandesal. So what I do is just put it in the microwave for this size of potato. You probably push the potato twice and then start. Okay? Now let's put the liquids together. Okay, and make sure your stuff is warm or that yeast is not going to work. So, okay, we'll put the half cup of milk, and that's been warmed up in the microwave. And then we have our melted butter. And we have eggs. This is really very easy recipe. Everything just go on to the blender, and now we're waiting. Our sweet potato is about to get done, and we'll wait for that. Okay, we need 1/2 cup of this sweet potato. Okay, that's an overflowing 1/2 cup there. Okay, and then we'll put our 1/4 cup warm water. So that is all our liquids, and then we'll put it here in the blender. Easy, we don't have no mess. So now what we do is we put this liquid mixture on our bread maker. Okay, we'll put 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then we pour our 2 teaspoon yeast. Okay, and we'll activate this yeast. Okay, and we'll give it a few minutes to activate. Our yeast is activated, it's bubbling down there. We add a teaspoon of vanilla, and then we mix our dry ingredients. Okay, we put the 1/2 cup of sugar, and we have 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, we have more salt in there because that's what pandesal stand for. Is like salty bread or something like that. And then we pour it into the liquid. And then we'll let the bread maker do the job. We put our thing in here, lock it in, and then we select the dough, and then press start, and it will do the job. And then after 10 minutes we'll add 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay, now we put our 2 tablespoons of flour and let it continue doing its job. Okay, our dough has doubled now, so we'll have to take it out. Then we punch the dough to get the air pockets out of the dough. And then we'll split this in 3. And then let's just roll them kind of in a log. Like so. And then now that we have sliced it, the dough, we're going to raise it for another 30 to 40 minutes. And then we'll bake it after that. Okay, our pandesal has doubled in size now, so we're going to put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 350. Here's our pandesal. Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video.